One of the many problems of having too many cars, and trust me, there are lots of problems of having too many cars, is that they all seem to talk to each other and somehow they know when they're going to do something wrong and they're all going to do exactly the same thing wrong. It's like having dogs that talk to each other and go steal the same toys at the same time. Sometimes it's a little tiny thing like they'll all blow an interior light bulb. Sometimes it's a bigger thing like both of those two have broken their air conditioning just as summer's starting. But other times it's something that's kind of in between and really annoying. And every one of my cars has decided to knacker its battery this week. And this big Merc arrived with no battery at all, so that was an obvious problem. And in the video the other day, I found a fantastic Halfords batteries, but nearly brand new in a scrapyard for £25. And it was doing great on that. Didn't run, but the battery was doing great. Unfortunately, the Mini then decided it was going to throw its toys out the pram, and its battery just was dead. It wouldn't take a charge after a run, it wouldn't take a battery charge overnight. It was utterly kaput. So, this one is coming out to give the Mini something to drive with, because that's taxed it on the road. The Mini arrived to me a year ago with this Yuasa 075 battery. It's the wrong size for a Mini. That should take an 027, but it's the right voltage and amperage and yada yada yada, and it does the trick. And it was okay for a while, but it's been getting worse and worse, more and more jump starty, and finally, nothing. It's dead. So Mercedes nice 075 will do the trick until I can go and buy an 027. Now this one I got so lucky with. For the last 6 months or so I've been jump starting it more and more often, until the other day I finally went and checked the receipt on it. It had a 4-year warranty battery in it. I went and checked the receipt, it had 4 weeks left to run on the warranty. So I took that back to Halfords, who were brilliant. They changed it straight away, no questions, brand new battery. Trouble is, because I've got too many cars, this car is going on sawn for the next couple of weeks, and this battery here is about to go and be a donor for the Alpha. And that's come out of the Rover and going in here. Again, this is another 027 battery type car, but the 075 from the Rover Coupe will fit in here temporarily. Again, I've got to buy another one, but I've got no money this month. So it'll have to do, and I have to play musical batteries for another week or two. Thanks for watching this little rant, and I hope maybe it's made you feel a little bit better about whatever predicament your cars are putting you in at the moment. Please buy something from the sponsor links below, because that will maybe help me buy a new battery for one of these things this week. And hit subscribe. And hit like. And watch the next one. Thanks.